Aave is a low-position coin with the ticker Aave that has a current worth of $64.06 and a market capitalization of $929,408,050. Digital currencies have essentially lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that essentially is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Some for the most part huge speculation banks even obtain Aave and other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which certainly is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul forecast of the improvements on the Aave market that depend on the readings of our very special crypto unpredictability record that certainly assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market plans to go in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Aave fundamentally is $64.06, while the coin presently by and large winds up at 45th spot in general lovely positioning. The said positioning especially is assessed based on the resources in every practical sense, present value that really is duplicated by its truly current market capitalization, an equation that basically is applied all through all monetary business sectors amazingly. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients basically get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise critical to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which is very huge. On August 2nd, the cost of Aave was at $65.37 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 1.65% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on July 27, Aave truly was esteemed at $72.03, and that actually intends that from that point forward, the cost most certainly has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on July 3, the market member laid out the cost of Aave at $72.81. In this way, the coin basically has made a 11.93% move to arrive at its kind of present standings. The examination of market capitalization truly conveys genuinely equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors in a by and large enormous manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the kind of in general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in every practical sense, significant way. Changes in market capitalization, positive or by and large negative sort of, are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both short and in every practical sense. Long-haul viewpoints, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This by and large specific especially metric fundamentally is likewise used to measure the predominance of Aave corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To truly decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Aave, we increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will truly be in every practical sense made sense of later by the extremely present worth of the digital money under audit. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking, starting today, the market capitalization of Aave by and large stands at $929,408,050, which frames the reason for present in every practical sense. Positioning truly was referenced before in a significant manner. Recently, on August 2nd, Aave fundamentally had a market capitalization of $948,302,537 incredibly. Keep going week. On July 27th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every practical sense was recorded at $1,043,671,061. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A month prior, on July 3, the market worth of Aave fundamentally was evaluated to sort of be $1,052,748 genuinely 851. Total stockpile considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have previously been created by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can really be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, or so they generally thought. This by and large measurement likewise figures the coins that sort of have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which generally is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the exceptionally complete stock of Aave in a real sense is laid out at 16,000,000 of in a significant manner. Ultimately, the circling supply fundamentally is utilized to generally compute the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coin's extremely current remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of Aave that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly especially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that in every practical sense have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million, for the most part, are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they especially are without a doubt liable to basically see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Aave especially has a circling supply of 14,507,986 coins. Also, high exchanging volume, as a rule, exhibits that the liquidity generally is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees genuinely smooth execution of exchanges. In any case, it should truly be certainly noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making commonly long-haul cost expectations. However, it typically gives significant knowledge into the very current market circumstance. Subsequently, truly is critical for short and mid-term cost figures fundamentally completed by our restrictive calculation in an unpretentious manner. A brilliant digital money financial backer mustn't ignore this metric while picking section or leave point. The guideline here is to, in a real sense, get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the union region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an impressive convention in an extremely huge manner. It's even commonly better assuming those cost shifts occur in the areas that by and large match with generally kind of high volume, which especially are normally shown through tall bars on the in every practical sense comparing pointer that in every practical sense is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals. Taking care of that, how about we survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Aave market throughout the accompanying time spans. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with Aave arrived at the mark of $84,984,422, in spite of mainstream thinking. Recently, on August 2nd, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $159,056,568 in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior, on July 27th, how much of that truly was traded between market members truly was assessed at $67,288,274. Presently explicitly comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Aave